The table below lists the average number of books checked out per day of the week for a branch library. We are asked to make a bar graph of the data. Now we're going to make a vertical bar graph, which means that we're going to write or draw two perpendicular lines here, and along the bottom we're going to list the days of the week, and along the vertical axis we're going to list the number of books checked out. So let's start by indicating the days of the week, and we have 7 days, so you can write them all out or abbreviate them. I'll just abbreviate them. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And then we can title that day, or day of the week. And along here we're going to do number of books. So let's title that axis number of books, or that's vertical scale. And then how do we want to scale this? Well, let's take a look at the table again. And looking at the table, we see that the number of books has a low of 160 and a high of 420. So we somehow want to represent all the numbers between 160 and 420. Now, the way I've drawn this, I drew a little jagged mark here because we don't have to represent anything lower than 160. So that means that I'm going to skip a lot of numbers up to something a little below 160. I'll start at 150. And since I want to go all the way past 420, I need to get more than a scale of 10. I'll go with a scale of 50 here. So this would be 150, this would be 200, 250, 300, 350, 400. 450 would be as high as I need to go. You may end up with a different scale like this, but somehow you need to represent between 160 and 420. So looking at the table, we can see that on Sunday we have 210 books. So now we can make a vertical bar from Sunday going up just past 200. And this is going to be approximate because we don't have a line right there, but somewhere around 210. On Monday there were 160, so I want to go just past the 150 mark. On Tuesday there were 240, so I want to go almost up to the 250 line then. And on Wednesday 270, which will take me past the 250, almost halfway between 250 and 300. On Thursday there were 310, which takes me a little past the 300 line. On Friday 275, which is just between the 300 and 250. And on Saturday 420, that's all the way up past the 400 line. And this is a vertical bar graph of the data.